Hi, I'm going to convert an MCQ PDF question paper in German into online quiz within minutes. I'm not going to do any cut paste or typing of content. I'm just going to use the existing PDF question paper. Uh, and this is very easy and this works really efficient for me. So if you are the first time user, you register yourself. You put your organization name and address, and you put your name as a teacher, you put your email ID here, and you click on add. You can have multiple teachers under the same organization. You just need to put their names and email IDs and click keep on adding plus. And after you are done, you click on the save button. As soon as you hit the save button, all the teachers within this organization will have instant access to pdfmock.com. So once you have access, you can click on the login button. So I'm going to show, since I already have the access to this. So I click on the login button. I land on the dashboard, which is my test and my batches. Here I manage all my tests here, and here I manage all the student which are segregated into different batches. So I click on create test button here, and I have a German question paper. I bring it here onto the platform. um, so PDF as is very stubborn, but PDFs are also very convenient. So I use them all the time, and they are readily available on the internet. So suppose this is the questions, and the first question is a single correct type question. So I choose single correct, and the marking scheme is, for example, for correct answer I give 2, and for incorrect I give -1, and for not attempted 0. And then I hit on add button. So right now you see the questions here are a plain simple uninteractive PDF. I'm going to add interactivity to them. So I go on and click on these options, so that there is a radio button which is shown, and I click radio button, four radio buttons here, and then I double click the option which is correct. So I don't know the real answer, but suppose if second option is correct, I click on that and make it blue, and I save. And similarly I go ahead and start doing it like this way. And suppose the fourth option is correct, I click on 4, and I click on save button. So you can see these questions are made very easily without doing any cut paste, etc. Even if you have a question paper of 100 question, it will hardly take 25 to 30 minutes to make it an online quiz. So after I am done, I go on save test, and I write the name of the test. I write the duration here, say suppose 30 minutes, and I can add few more string if I want to add in the description box. And right now it's only has two question of 4 marks, but I can, this is just for the demo purpose. I'm going to add a solution file as well to this one, so that when a student has taken the test, they will see the explanation of every question from the teacher. They can view it, and I hit the save button. As soon as hit the save button, I am back to the my dashboard, where I can see number of questions, maximum marks. I can go ahead and edit this the same question paper by hitting edit button. I can delete this, and also I can send this test to my other colleagues or peers who are already on the this platform PDF mock. So suppose you have a data entry operator who is working behind the scene and who is providing content to all the teachers. And this can be easily done. So I write the email address, and then search, and then share. It's very simple. Now I'm going to schedule the test. I click on schedule. There are two options, close ended and open ended. Close ended means a specific date and time where the test starts and ends. If I click on the open ended, which means the start time is there but there is no end time, and as a teacher you have to manually go and end the test whenever you want. And the student batches, these are the internal database on which you have made segregation groupings of the student. You can give the access to suppose two batches of student. And if you also want to allow it to external student, the students whose database is not available with you, you can allow it so that anybody can take the test now, and you schedule it. So as soon as you schedule it, the test is ready to be shared. So here you can edit the schedule, you can stop the schedule, this current schedule, and you can copy the test url and share it on WhatsApp or any other instant messaging app, or your social media app, or through email, or through your LMS, whatever you want. And you can obviously send this test to your peers or your colleagues by clicking this. And this is really useful, as there is no bottlenecks in terms of writing special character, because many of the applications backend do not take so many languages, so many special characters like chemical reactions or mathematical equations, etc. So that becomes a bottleneck while using any application. So this has made my life really easy. There are no bottlenecks, there are no menial manual task that is required by the teacher. That seems to be a wastage, from their education research side. So use this, it's very helpful, and hope it will be helpful to you too. Thank you.